to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful Saturday. And again, thank you for being here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Make sure to leave comments and give a thumbs up if you like the video. I love talking with you guys. And as you can see, I do not have any makeup on, and that is because A, it is Saturday and I am just relaxing. But also, as you can see from the description, I received my October 2018, I had to think about what year it was, October 2018 Facetory. And what I love about this subscription is obviously the sheet mask. I really love them. I do 2 to 3 a week at least. They have 2 different options with Facetory. They have the FOURever Fresh, where you receive 4 sheet masks, and then they have another one where you receive 7. I go with the FOURever Fresh because between this and all of my other subscriptions, and then just sheet masks that I end up picking up myself, I have more than enough. The FOURever Fresh is $8.90. That does include the cost of shipping. And the one thing about Facetory, because like I said, this is October 2018, whenever you sign up, it's a little different, whereas like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and you know, a lot of subscriptions may charge you on the 1st of the month or maybe the 15th. Whenever you sign up with Facetory, that is going to be based on when you're billed. I signed up at the end of a month, so I get billed, I think it's the 28th every month for Facetory. So again, I have no makeup on because, like I said, it's Saturday, and I am going to go sit down, turn on Lifetime, and put a sheet mask on. My husband unfortunately did have to work today, and Christopher has gone to the fair with his aunt, so I'm gonna have a little mommy time, and like I said, cut on Lifetime, put on a sheet mask, and just relax. So we are going to take a look in here and see what we got for October. I do also want to tell you guys, I wanted to let you know that the stumbling here. The FabFitFun winter box is now available for purchase. They're not going to ship for a couple more weeks, but you can go ahead and sign up if you have not with FabFitFun, and it's really awesome. Customization opened just not even an hour ago, and I love customization with FabFitFun. It gives you the option to choose certain products that you want in your box. Obviously, there will always be the items that everyone gets no matter what, but I can tell you guys right now, just from the 3 items that I know, or the 3 options, let me put it that way, the 3 different options that you can choose from, just the 3 items I have already gone in and customized. I'm thrilled, and this box looks like it is going to be absolutely amazing. And if you have not signed up with FabFitFun, I will put a link down below for that, and a code that will get you $10 off your first box, so you could get this winter box for $39.99. And you guys, I'm telling you, just from the 3 choices, this box is going to be amazing. This is probably already looking like it's going to be my favorite box ever. So like I said, I will put a link for FabFitFun down below. It is absolutely wonderful. And I will put a link for Facetory as well if you'd like to sign up with them. Like I said, the FOURever Fresh is $8.90 including shipping. So let's go ahead and dive in here. I have rambled enough, and get happy masking. So I'm really looking forward to going and, like I said, finding a Lifetime movie. If I'm not mistaken, it's Lifetime or Hallmark is already starting to show Christmas movies. So sorry y'all, I don't know what happened there for a second. So yeah, I think Lifetime and Hallmark are both already showing Christmas movies, or some channel is. I know I've seen something. So anyway, the October 2018 FOURever Fresh. This says it is with FOURever Fresh and Asia Dang, I think is how you say it. I'm not sure. I don't know who she is. So I guess it's like a collaboration with her. And this is her. She's very pretty. And then what is... Oh, we got some stickers. I will give these to my niece. Alright, so here's our sheet. And let's just get into it. So the first one is a Facetory mask, Glow Baby Glow Brightening and Soothing Mask. And it's actually a two-part mask. Step 1 is apply the soothing ampule with a gentle tapping motion. It is Nelumbium speciosum flower extract. I probably just completely butchered that. Packed with antioxidants to promote supple and radiant skin. Step 2, open the brightening and soothing mask and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to let your skin soak in all the nutrients. It has niacinamide. Again, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Improves the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. And then it also has aloe barbadensis leaf extract. Soothes and hydrates the skin with its anti-inflammatory properties. And this is a $5 value. Next we have by Ariel 7 Days Mask Bamboo Water. This is that mask. I've gotten this brand before in Facetory and they're really, really great. This is a $3 value, so right there you're kind of already at the price of the box or bag. Says helps to improve skin's flexibility, resulting in smoother and firmer skin. Helps relieve and soothe inflamed skin. And then lavender flower water. This is rich in antioxidants. This ingredient helps prevent breakouts as well as provide anti-aging benefits. So I'm really excited for that one. And then from Orbu, it's, I'm not sure, Orbo. This says Hold Me Tight Nourishing Mask. I'll show you guys again. And this is $3. Cranberry fruit extract. The acid in cranberries acts as an exfoliant and contains vitamin A and C to help boost collagen production. Strawberry fruit extract and astringent rich in vitamin C and polyphenols. This ingredient helps reduce the appearance of pores. Panthenol deeply penetrates into the layers of skin to create supple, moisturized skin. So, it says Rose Energy. Sounds good to me. And then our final one is by Bonnie Hill, Tea Tree Soothing Mask Pack. Let's see. And I don't know if I said this is $3 as well. Tea tree leaf oil, an antiseptic that has skin soothing properties while helping treat acne. And then lavender flower extract contains both antiseptic and antifungal benefits to help combat bacteria, heal wounds, and prevent breakouts. And all 4 of these are vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. The other plan, I could not think of the name of it at the beginning of the video, is the 7 Lux. And here it's got a thing saying, you know, if I want to upgrade to the 7 Lux, and it gives me a code for 20% off. So right down here. So if you have Facetory and you're thinking of upgrading, well, you would have this too, obviously. I don't know if this would work if you're new and you're signing up for the 7 Lux, but I'll tell you guys, it is Fresh to Lux, so it's Fresh to T-O Lux, L-U-X, for 20% off your first box, is what it says. So that is our October 2018 Facetory. Let's see, which one am I going to do? I'm thinking I'm going to do this one. I'm going to go put this one on and, like I said, find me a movie. So, yeah. Happy Saturday, happy relaxation day. And like I said before too, FabFitFun, like I said, customization just opened about an hour ago. And you guys, I'm telling you, it absolutely seems like it is going to be the best box ever, just from the 3 things that I know of. And I do, obviously, I know of 1 spoiler, so 4 items out of the box I do know. And usually we receive 8 to 9 items, so there's still 4 or 5 things that we don't even know about yet. And it just, I'm already like, yes, this is that. I mean, I would pay for just those 4 items. So, I will put a link, like I said, for Facetory down below, as well as FabFitFun, and I will put a code to get you $10 off your box, your first FabFitFun if you are new, so you will get it for $39.99, and I'm telling you guys, it is so much more in value. Usually, I know my fall box was just over $300, and my summer box was almost, it was right at $400, it's like $380 some. So if you're new and you haven't signed up with them before, like I said, the link will be below and that code, and you'll get it for $39.99, and it definitely will be over $300 in value. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a fabulous Saturday, and I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.